Hello everyone. So just like I did last week when I made a video explaining what to expect the first 3 days of school this week, I wanted to make another video telling you what to expect this coming week. So the first thing I wanted to tell you is that every Monday I'm going to delete the previous week's assignments. So on Monday I'm going to delete this week's just so it won't get cluttered or anything like that. But for right now it's still up on the website and it will be until Monday morning, just in case you need to work on something over the weekend. All right, if you scroll down, there's a new week and it says week of August 31st through September 4th. So there is a detailed list of everything that you need to do. So on Monday, we're still going to have our morning meeting every single morning. So 8:45, make sure the attendance is filled out by that point. You all did a wonderful job of that this week, and I feel like we've got the kinks worked out of Google Meet, and we're ready to roll. There's only a few people. If your internet connection is not that strong, just shoot us a text message and let us know, and we'll count you present. And they're recorded. If you ever need to watch a recorded lesson, they are right here at the top. I added a tab that says recorded morning meeting. So if for some reason you weren't at the meeting, you can click right there. And I've put the videos on there. Now our our Thursday meeting, it kicked us off in the middle, so it stopped recording. So I don't have that one up there for you. But Wednesdays is here and Fridays is here if you missed it. All right, I'm going to go back to weekly assignments. So we're still doing that every morning, still doing attendance. I said that we would add a couple of things this week. So while you're watching, after you're finished with your morning meeting, you can watch this video of me reading a story called Wimberly Worried. And in that story, after you're finished listening to it, you're going to have a writing journal to go along with it. I show you in the video how to set up your composition journal and how to answer those questions. I give you some examples. So that's what you're doing. You're going to be doing a writing journal for me on Monday after watching the video. Down below that, it says at your small group time, use Google Meet to meet with Miss Hay or Miss Coleman. The schedule of who meets with who is located under the schedule tab, and the codes for those meetings are also located under the schedule tab. So if we go to schedule, I've put the schedule for everybody on here. So everybody's name is listed on here, and everybody has a time, and they have if they're doing reading that day or math that day. So I'm going to use this first group as an example. So Caden, if I was Caden Thorne, hi Caden. If I was Caden, I'm gonna get on at 9:30, and on Monday I'm going to you'll be with Miss Hay on Monday. So your code that you're gonna put in on Google Meet is second PLE reading. So just like you do for morning meeting, you go to the same place. You go to Google Meet, that same screen, which I can show you. Google Meet. Still going to look like this. You'll just put in second PLE reading this time. So instead of morning meeting, it'll be reading. And if you're doing math, it'll be second PLE math. So you'll go back and forth on that each day at your time. So if I was Caden, on Monday I'm going to be with Miss Hay, and on Tuesday I'm going to be with Miss Coleman, and their codes are right there at the top if you need them. This week is a little different. We have iReady testing. So on Wednesday and Thursday there will be no small group because of the iReady testing. Okay, so normally when we have a normal week, you will have small group every day except for Friday, but because of iReady testing, we're not doing it on Wednesday or Thursday this coming week. All right, but everybody, you can scroll down, find your child's name. I did make a little note at the top that says if you have made arrangements with Miss Jennings, Miss Combs, Miss Lucas, or Miss Griffin, then don't show up for your reading time if you already have a separate time with them, okay? I don't want to overwhelm you. Just meet them on when they've scheduled a time with you. That shouldn't be a lot of people. That's only a couple people. But if they have contacted you, then you can meet with them at that time. But yeah, scroll down, find your name, and that is your scheduled time if you don't remember, and your codes are right there for you. Okay, back to weekly assignments. I know this is a lot of information. All right. On Tuesday, you're going to do the same morning meeting, and then Miss Coleman will post a video here, and she's going to read a story to you called Stand Tall, Molly Lou Mellon, and she'll post her video right here. It'll be right there, and she's going to have you make a schedule for your school day, and she's going to post an example of it over here on this side. So whenever she gets that posted, it'll be right there. And then Wednesday, that's when you're going to do your iReady testing. I tried to make it as easy as possible for you all to see how to log into iReady and to get to iReady. So if you click here, it will take you to the video. I made a new video using someone's login code as an example. So it will show you their login code and all of that if you click on that. After you watch the video, you can click here to go to iReady, and it'll take you to the login screen. So if you watch that video, it shows you an example of how to enter the username, how to do the password, all of that, okay? All right. I put that on Wednesday. You're going to be doing your reading iReady test. And then on Thursday, you'll be doing your math iReady test. I put it in both places. So those links will take you to that if you need to watch it both days. We said to allow at least an hour to take the test. You can take as long as you want. Just make sure that you really let them try it on their own. I can't stress that enough. Normally, when they're in school and we're doing iReady testing, that's usually what we do for the day. We let them do their testing, and then we let them go outside and play and have a break. We do dance breaks. We do things that let their brain relax, because it takes a lot of energy to go through testing. So please let them relax, and there's no more assignments after that. It'll just be doing your iReady test, okay? And then on the math iReady test, I cannot talk today, you will do the same thing. We are just letting them relax afterwards and have a good day. On Friday, we have our morning meeting like normal. We don't have small group because it is pickup day. So on Friday, they will pick up their work for the following week from 11 to 3. If for some reason that's not possible for you, pick it up first thing Monday morning in the office. We're trying to work on a bus drop-off schedule, but that's not in place yet. As soon as it is, we will let you know. We don't have school on Monday, September 7th, so we will start again on Tuesday like normal, and we'll keep that same schedule of small groups on that day. But this week, you only have small group on Monday and Tuesday because of iReady testing, okay? So Monday and Tuesday, small groups. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you do not, okay? All right, please let us know if you have any questions. We'll be adding stuff to this, but everything should be posted to the website by Monday morning. So if a link's not working or something like that, it will be working by Monday morning, okay? And I'll erase all the morning meetings and things on Monday morning as well and start fresh for the week. All right, thank you all. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great weekend.